What happened, Mr. Ndu?
Oh yeah, that meeting ended. Because the
Okay.
Zoom is only 40 minutes.
So
So
now it's row one plus row one and row three, ne?
yeah, vanga Jen Zozo.
What happened? Okay.
No? Yeah, vanga Jen ngene la link futhi. No, you know, cut like a Zoom either equal either for 40 minutes and then you cut. So it is very Jen futhi ngene la link. Okay.
Mr. Ndu,
Nah.
ndikohera konon.
Eh.
Sipala, it's row one. So we're gonna multiply. Oh, we multiply everything, or even the identity.
Even the
Oh,
idea.
I didn't. I forgot to multiply the identity. So it's two. Yeah, it's two. We have two now. Yeah, we have 7. Oh, okay. I'm with you now.
Yeah.
So now we are adding, eh?
Yeah, we are now adding, of which when you add, you will obtain this that we have down there. Rotem subscribe.
I wrote.
Okay, and then from there, our next step is to get a 0 there. So let's get this 0. How are we going to get this 0? We use row 2 to get a 0 there. Because if we don't use row 2 and we use row 1 is going to cancel the 0 that we obtained before. So that's why you need to use what? Row 2, which already have a 0 there. Row 30. We are, because the questions are row 2, 1 as 0 row 3. Zvichikuitishwa ngauri if rashimisa row 1 inogona ne0 yarava 1 apa.
Okay.
Arashimisa row 2. So richishimisa row 2 zvambozvarizva negative 30 row 2 plus row 2 row 3. It must give us a new row 3. So now zvambozvarekodhokola ramara row 1 indoraro. And then Radhavarama row 2. But now row 3, Ruhana new row 3, what did I multiply a row that negative 30 and na 0. So it's negative 30 times 0 plus 0 equals 0. And then negative 30 plus negative 30 times 1, that negative 30 plus 30 is over 0. And there are negative 30 times 0, you have 0 plus 1, you have 1. Disjointed. And then negative 30 times 0, it was 0 plus 2, you have 2. Negative 30 times 1, it was negative 30 plus 0, you have negative 30. Negative 30 times 0, 0 plus 7, you have 7. Rewrote them to scrap now. And then from there, rather I want 0 upon if 0 upon again, we want to question row number 2. So you know, they want to go row number 2, negative 2 multiplied by row 2 plus row 1. It must give us a new row 1. So let's do that and see what we obtain. So it's negative 2 times 0 plus negative 14 into the negative 14. Negative 2 times 1, the negative 2 plus 2, you have 0. Negative 2 times 0, it was 0, plus negative 6, you have negative 6. And then -2 times 0, there was 0 plus 2, you have a 2. -2 times 1, you have a -2 plus 0, you have a -2. And then these are 0. And then the other ones, we just write them as they are.
Hey, no, Gerard, what?
What's the problem now?
Hapa kama na state
Hmm.
hapa ndiko understand la row 1 plus row 3, ne?
Hmm.
So now you saying minus 30,
Hmm.
negative 30 row 2 plus row 3.
Hmm.
Yeah, explain that.
Shall we go to the one at 0?
Yeah.
Revision say equation here. So come up playing a -30 or -30 times 1 is -30 plus 30 equals 0.
Or we wanna get 0 on row 2. Oh, okay.
Yeah, on row 3.
Yeah, on row 3. Okay. So it's my okay, I understand.
And then we do
So
this.
that 0 we're not gonna, the first one we're not gonna do it because like we're gonna get the same. Okay, I understand. Okay.
I want this 0. In a way, I want to multiply this by -2. We add it with 2 to get that 0 there. So generally, on a 0 t. Can you tell me which 0 are we supposed to get?
There at the corner.
This one, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah. Which one do you think we can use to get this 0?
Let's use row 3.
Yes. Why are we using row 3?
Because we can't use row 1.
Yeah, we need to get this 0 on row 1. So we must use one of these, né?
So let's say minus 6 times row 3.
Yeah, for sure we're going to use row 3. So I want to know instead, why are we using row 3, not row 2?
We just use row. We have used row 3, row 2.
Yeah, I mean why? Why? Yes.
And then below
Can-
-6, we've got 0.
Yes. We've got 0 there.
So our
It's gonna
rule-
cancel that 0.
Our rule, no, it's not gonna cancel the 0. It's just that our rule must say 6 are R2 plus R1. So it won't work. It won't give us 0 there.
Yeah, this cannot
It's gonna
be
be 0 plus. It's gonna be 0 plus -6, which is gonna still be same -6. So we have to use row 3. So on row 3 we're going to say +6 row 3 plus row 1. So we're gonna get 0 there.
Yeah, very true. That's the reason why we need to use row 3. And the other reason why we're not using row 2 is because if we use row 2, this row 2 is going to cancel this 0 here, the one we obtained previously, because of this one.
Yes, it's true.
Yeah, exactly. So now let's use row 3. So now it means we're going to say, because it's a near negative, we're going to say 6 row 3 plus row 1. It must give us a new row 1. So let's do that quickly and see what we're going to get. So we multiply this by 6 and then we add it with that. It's going to give us -40. There's no changes which are going to happen. And here we're going to have a 0. But here we are going to have what? A 0 that we're looking for. And then on the other hand, we're going to have 12 plus 2, which is 14. And then here we have, what is negative 30 multiplied by 6?
Negative 13 multiplied by 6. Okay.
Multiplied by 6 minus 2.
Negative 180.
Negative 180.
Negative 180.
And then minus 2. So it's negative 182. Ne? And then what is?
Hello.
Yeah, it's negative 182. And then again, we multiply 7 with 3. I mean 7 with 6. What is 7 times 6 plus 0? What is 7 times 6? It's 40 what? 40 what? What is
7 and 6.
Yeah.
42.
42. Okay, then the other ones, we just repeat them as they are. Okay, after having this, we are now left with just one task. Can you tell me which task are we left with in order to reach to the final answer? It's for what? It's for getting what? Yes. What are we supposed to get here?
The positive one.
1.
Yes, very true. How can you get that one? So you divide all the components by negative 14.
All the components.
Yeah, everything from here we divide by negative 14. So that this can be 1, this 0, that 0, and then here negative 1. What is negative 182 divided by negative 14?
Negative.
Negative 182 divided by negative 14.
You said negative 14, eh?
Yeah.
It's 1 3.
Okay, and then 42 divided by negative 14.
42.
42 divided by negative 14.
Three. Negative 3.
Negative 3. Then the other ones we just write them as they are. So by doing so, we have achieved our goal. So you can see now we have identity here, and we now have the inverse of B there. So the inverse of B is equal to negative 1, 13, negative 3, 0, 1, 0, 2, negative 30, and 7. That will give you the identity, the inverse, of which if you want to verify that indeed it's an inverse, you can multiply B and B inverse. It must give you an identity. That is the way of confirming that what we obtained here indeed is an inverse. So, but B inverse, we obtain it there. Of which, after getting the B inverse, you can then multiply the A and B inverse. You will then have what is called A divided by B. So it's given by A multiplied by B inverse. That is A divided by B. Raw terms.
Yeah, Rotondo.
Yeah, ndiyo ne party yenda ndiko ṱoḓa uri ri khavare namusi ya u multiplier no divider no divider 3 by 3 matrix. But if vha sedza ngo ita hezwi zwe ra zwi khavara namusi fhedzi ro mbo ḓi khavara na hei topic ya inverse. Let me check. Rombo the cover na topic ya 1.4 your inverses rules of matrix arithmetic. You can now be able to get the inverse. This is the inverse of 3 by 3. You cannot go further than the inverse of 3 by 3. That I can tell you.
All right.
Yeah, you cannot go further than that. But this is how you obtain the inverse.
Listen though.
That.
I wanted to propose. I know we are working Tuesday and Thursday.
Yes.
Let's say the next week Tuesday we're gonna proceed with the lecturing, and then on Thursday, why can't on Thursday we work that assignment on the whiteboard, discussing, showing us how are we going to choose the relevant answer, and then we put it aside. From there, then the next week we carry on with the lecture.
No problem.
Yeah.
That is okay with me.
Yeah. So
I agree.
So I think we'll be working nicely in that way. So when we see that we are approaching the another assignment number 2, and then we work it on the whiteboard. The issue we must work it on the whiteboard so that we can see how are we supposed to solve the issue, so that when we get to the exam, we are well equipped.
Yes, very true. Yeah, let's do like let's do as you say just now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Ndo.
Yeah. Otherwise, for today, let's stop here. See you on Tuesday next week. That.
Yeah. Don't forget to send us the link so that during the day, if we're having some energy, like we feel like we want to be busy practicing something, where we are stuck in, we'll just click on the video and then we check.
Okay. Yeah, let me do that just now after we finish here.
And please just connect me with this guy. Just add him on that group of me and you, so that we are 3 now.
Okay, no problem. I'm going to do that now.
Sharp. Have a wonderful night. Ne?
Okay.
You too.
Sharp.
Bondo.
That.
Yeah, it's bit tricky. It's tricky, because if.
Okay. No, it's good already. So Jambore, you are now fine. If you
log out.
Yeah, because you will log out in the one. The campus in is, you know.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay. Sure.
Bye. Bye. And the zone matter